Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the overview of DJI Fly app. So let's get started. So as a pilot, drone app are great things. Okay, and we can see DJI app is a very efficient app in the market. Okay, so it supports all the drones. Okay, so you can just connect and on DJI app you can just record the footage and you can connect your app with your drone and do many other things. If you see here, like DJI Fly apps is available in your iOS, Android as well. So download, you can just click on here, and from here you can just download the APK for that, and you can use, because in some countries like India has been banned because of some issue. And this is the review, and if you have any question you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.